What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So I've got it right here, the M4 iPad Pro. You can see from the box right here, it pretty much says Pro. It's just kind of widened out. And first thing that I noticed with the box is like it's super light, and it makes sense because the iPad Pro itself is super light too. I got the 11-inch in space black, 256 gigs, so I don't have the nano texture coating on mine. And I think this one's 5.3, and the 13-inch iPad Pro is 5.1 millimeters thin or thick, whichever one you want to call it. But this is really light. I mean, it's been a while since I think that I unboxed the M1 iPad Pro a couple years back, and that, as far as I remember, seemed a little bit heavier, and this one just surprisingly was really light to me. But here's the thing, like, I'm coming from an iPad mini, and you guys see from the title, I'm an iPad mini, an avid iPad mini user. I love my iPad mini. It's the only iPad I have right now, excluding this. Like before this was the only iPad. I briefly used an iPad Pro M1 and returned it because iPad mini. But we're gonna see if this iPad Pro is, you know, can replace my mini. So here we go. We got these tabs, and I'm trying to incorporate, or I'm trying to implement different styles, I guess, in my videos, or just be more me. Like the whole like scripting word by word and all that stuff just gotta go. But here we go. Let's put that aside. Actually, let's put the box right here. Let's lift this tab. Oh, wow. This is light. Okay, this is light. Let's put that aside. And by the way, I didn't purchase the Magic Keyboard or the Apple Pencil Pro yet, and I don't think the Apple Pencil regular is compatible with this, and we'll take a look. iPad Pro. Because I do recall seeing a couple videos. I don't think you get the Apple stickers anymore. So let's see what else. We just got some other paperwork, and that's about it. Okay, so Apple stickers are gone. Don't really see the reason why, but it's not really, I don't think it's really helping that much, but there we go. We have a 20-watt power adapter, so wall port. But I like this. Look at this. A braided space black USB-C to C cable. Now this is what I like to see. And that's pretty much it from the box. So at least we're getting a power adapter, and I kind of wish phones still had that, but oh well, what can you do? Let's go ahead and actually put these guys back in because, well, it's a bummer because there's no more Apple stickers. I hope they don't get rid of those, and like at least they'll probably get rid of them with the iPhones, but I hope they keep them with the Macs because, like, come on, it's still a nice thing to have. Like, unboxing experiences just have, like, I don't know, it dwindled in the past, like, 10 years. They used to be so much better. Anyhow, let's open this. And there's already a bunch of, like, dust particles. Like, ooh. Okay. So it's got all the Face ID stuff right there. There's more dust stuff down there. Again, this feels really light. You can already see my fingerprints. Space black though, this looks really, really nice. I'm gonna place it face down and remove this case from my iPad mini just for a sec. Just a quick size comparison. There you go. I don't know, like, I like, first glance, I like how this iPad Pro looks, but again, like, it's just like this iPad mini. That's just the size of it and how compact it is just really nice. Anywho, we're gonna get this started, get the M4 iPad Pro started. We're gonna boot it, turn it on, get rid of all those. Just look at all that dust. I gotta get rid of it. And I'll be back in a quick moment as soon as I get this started up. Okay, so I got it set up, and this is just the home screen is what we're looking at. Obviously, I'm going to, after, like, this was just the initial setup, I'm going to pretty much take my setup with my iPad mini and bring it over to the iPad Pro. But in a first glance, wow, I love the 120 hertz panel. But the fact that this is what they call a tandem OLED display, so it's like two OLED displays stacked upon each other. It's so vibrant. It's beautiful. Like this iPad mini display is also really nice, but just the 60 hertz, like you can notice. Yeah, but I don't know. It's just like iPad mini. Imagine, like when I'm looking at this, I just want to imagine an iPad mini Pro. Just imagine this in just this form factor. How cool would that be? That would be really awesome. But yeah, my Apple Pencil, I think, is in my backpack, which is actually not in my room right now. It's in the living room. But nonetheless, I don't have Apple Pencil Pro, and I don't have the Magic Keyboard. I am getting some other accessories that I will be using with the iPad Pro. I'm not looking to replace this with my machine, which is my M3 MacBook Air, 15-inch. I'm going to have to figure out how to implement this into my workflow. Maybe use it as a secondary display while I'm out on the go. We'll see how it is, but nonetheless, I really like how this feels. I'm super excited for iPad OS 18 because like we're getting some really good hardware with this, but I feel like we're so limited with the software. Like M4 is powerful, but we're not really pushing it to its limits. So I really do hope we get something good at WWDC with iPad OS 18. But I really like this black color nonetheless. It looks really very, very clean. And I think for me at least, 11-inch iPad Pro is the way to go. Face ID, they moved it down there. They got some other extra new things going on here, but yeah, I would definitely recommend trying this out at your local Apple store. Definitely is something to check out. I wasn't expecting the display to be this great, honestly. Then again, it's like 10:48. I'm really tired, so maybe it just looks great to me at a glance right now. Maybe I'm gonna have to sleep on top of this, like sleep overnight and come back in the morning and really just admire the display again. We'll see. But nonetheless, I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm going to, like I said, try to figure out a way to implement this and see if it is better than the iPad mini. Now, for those who disagree, that is completely okay. Yes, spec wise and everything else wise, it stands out and is better than the iPad mini. But this comes down to a preference size or a preference. I like the compact form factor of the iPad mini over any other iPad. But nonetheless, like, I'm going to see how this iPad Pro really, truly is, because I have some friends who use the iPad Pro, like they have the M1 iPad Pro 11 and 12.9 inch, and they're really happy with it. So let's see how this M4 iPad Pro is. But guys, lots of videos are coming your way. Definitely be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I already got some videos up and just ready, just some brand approval and whatnot. And I've got plans for different types of videos for the channel, so definitely be sure to stay tuned for that as well. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. And because of you guys, I'm able to check out all the latest and greatest tech and share with you guys my thoughts, my experiences, and my opinions. That's been it for me, guys. It's late. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Gotta go because Chai, she's at the door, and I'm going to have to open it and let her in so she can sniff around the room and examine the new iPad Pro. She's got to take a look at it first before I do. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next episode.